guys, so you can probably tell I've just woken up. So literally got back yesterday, was exhausted because I had the earliest flight. So guys, I just came out with my cousins, say hello. We're gonna test out the drone that I just got. I'm so lucky that I was able to get this. I was actually so nervous. Hopefully I'm gonna take loads of really cool shots. Scream.
We are in El Casbah.
Oh, I didn't introduce you today.
No.
Guys, this is Admiral Travels Junior. Ayub. This is my brother, so he's gonna be in the vlog. Your first time on my channel.
Yes, it is.
Ayub makes TikTok videos.
Neither.
Anyways, guys, I didn't actually get up to much so far because we've just been spending time with family. The first thing I did was come here to Khusba, and I've been here before, so I don't want to show you guys the same thing. It's so hard to actually go out in Algeria because you're stuck with family and everyone just wants to chill with you. So I have to find the balance between doing that and traveling and exploring other places that I haven't seen. Gina, which type of pizza? Only pizza. Only pizza. Which type of Oh, the lighting is so dead. Okay, guys, so we're about to have lunch now. All we check is the lighting. Polly, hello. Polly, hello.
Oh my god. Hello guys, today we are in Algeria.
Okay, I'm bored now, that's it. So we currently left my cousin Syrian in the car because she's a woman. Women don't come to cafes in Algeria because it's mamnoor. No, you can't.
Obviously we're going to take... Obviously this is Syrian English chocolate milk. Chocolate milk. Absolutely beautiful, the chocolate milk.
Freedom! We are joined by my cousin Syrian, who has been liberated from the car. Speak English, speak.
How are you, my guys?
Oh, what are you? Syrian, speak English, speak. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people in the car. 7 people in the car. Full eye. Hey! Wow, so cool, man. So cool. Quel âge? 3 ans. Oh my god. Huh? Mouche. Where are we going? When La plage. We are going to la plage. Côté Paza. Côté Paza. Give them a high five.
كي تجي شي راجل تاكل طاكوس تاكل طاكوس راك فاهم
مليح
فوالا ترجمها له طاكوس هنايا تو مونج طاكوس ما كاينش تمسخير.
Okay guys, so today we set out to the Grand Mosque and came all the way to the other side of Algiers and found out that it was basically closed due to false information. So what our taxi driver said was try to speak to the policeman, he might be nice enough to let you in. Okay guys, so basically we couldn't actually go in. We tried speaking to the police guy, who was like, no. So we decided to just find a random apartment complex right opposite the mosque. And I managed to get a few drone shots.
We almost lost the drone, by the way.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to basically go to the main bridge where we can see the mosque, and we're going to take a few photos. And then we're going to get a Yasir, which is basically the Uber equivalent in Algeria, to Jardin d'Issy. Okay guys, awkward one. I'm still recovering from like shock and panic, but I flew my drone and basically lost it because the wind took it and then it ran out of battery and couldn't get it back. It landed on its own and basically just landed in this cage somewhere, and we're trying to either sneak over or try find someone to get it for us. So
But don't worry, because Sir Ayub the Knight will get it for you.
if you were going to get it, you were going to get it.
I'm going to get it right now, guys. Just watch this.
Yeah, we've been here for 10 minutes, you can't even climb up the cage. The stress I go through to get these shots, but okay, I don't even think it's worth it, but we'll see. Trust my savage cousins to find their way. Zia. Oh my god. We are.
I told you, Sir Knight Ayub will help you.
Is it broken? Is it broken?
No.
Is it broken?
No.
Oh my god.
It's not broken.
My heart. Because obviously Algerian police are not to be messed with, but guys, got my drone back finally. All they're doing is taking selfies in the crappiest locations. They left all of this and they're taking selfies here. It makes no sense. Come on man, come on man. Dance, dance. Oh, حقار.
Girl, you know,
ماشي كنشطو ماشي مليح هاي شعلي شعلي
شوف شوف
اضربني راح تشوف زعما واش.
Okay guys, so basically the Mavic Mini, which is what I have, is actually amazing because I basically lost my drone, as you guys just saw now, and it pinpointed what he said, and the drone pinpointed where the drone I opened the app here and then it showed me where the drone actually was, even though it was like 0% battery. So as soon as I lost signal, the drone was supposed to come to home, which is where we were, but because the battery was so low, it was fighting the winds high up. It had to land. It had to land immediately. So it landed in this random cage that we just ran to, which wasn't even far from us at all. But the only thing that I don't like about the Mavic Mini is that when it does return to home, once it loses signal, is that it flies super high and then it comes over to home. It would have been better if it just stayed low and then came to me, because then I wouldn't have lost it. So now we're gonna go up to Maqam Shahid, which is the Algiers monument. We're gonna take a cable car, and then we'll see you guys in the next shot.
No cameras, paparazzi, no thank you.
كنا شريف لا فامي بدود والله رضوان وإيمان والله عليكم هيا ساروا مشاكي عود غايث وضروها هيا ساروا ربي يرفض يسروا سوءا
Okay guys, so we just came back from Friday prayer. It's now Friday. We just came up. I'm wearing a khamis because you can't really wear shorts to the mosque. I haven't been vlogging much because I've just been stuck with family, and I know I keep saying that. But I'm going to try to vlog a bit more because I'm leaving soon. But funny story actually, the amount of conspiracies surrounding the coronavirus is just hilarious. I don't know if it's going to be relevant when this vlog comes out, but the best coronavirus conspiracy I heard so far is basically the more you think about it, the more likely you'll get it. So that's an interesting one. Where are we going? Bye.
يا المقنين الزين صفر الجناحين احمر الخدين يا كحيل العينين هذه مدة وسنين تعفي قصة حزين.
But it's so cold. No one's here. You don't want to swim. You c'est malade.
كاين صدى شي يشري لك هاي
وراكم رايحين؟
There's someone near portrait here because I'm gonna be looking beautiful for my Instagram. Nighttime, daytime, I'm so beautiful.
Shut up!
What's that tag?
What are you doing?
نحبي نشوفكم
هلا بالك مطلع.
هاي شمخونا رانا جاهزين.
انت هربتي الحمار
جاهزين زعما العشاء.
ضربونا بالماء تاعكم.
هذا دوكا سكارا دوكا فينا
سكارا دوكا.
علاش؟
انت كيفاش وشو محدا مليح.
Ayub, why do you put your head in the camera whenever I move it to someone else?
Oh my bad.
سمعنا ندير اكونت انت خلاص خسن. شو مقصود؟ شو مقصود؟ اوه بالك كباني الكلب. ايس كريم بوسيا. جينا وين رايحين؟
جيبوا روثا.
جيبوا حوتة.
اي هاي.
So guys, my cousins think they're actually going to swim. They saw a bit of sun today because it was raining yesterday.
سديني
Plongy, هنا. اروح شديدي. اروح لا نعمو. شابة جنان زبل تبهديله. كون؟ شنو؟ Je voudrais pizza s'il vous plaît. Avec le crevette. Et toi? Coffee. Hey guys, so we're in this Italian restaurant. What are we gonna have? Pizza, yes. Okay, what did you order? What did you order?
Chef burger.
Who are you talking to?
No one.
What's her name?
I don't know.
Huh?
It's just a friend.
Guys, I just want to ask something because obviously like now I'm 26 years old and I don't get the age gap and what the trend is now with the younger generation. Is it normal for a guy to send love hearts to a girl and be like, yeah, it's just friends? I'm sorry, that's not a trend, is it?
انا ما صورتش معاكم.
Ice cream. Okay guys, so basically it's my last day. I've literally been here for like just under 2 weeks. I think this time, because I spent a lot of time with the family, I didn't get to do much. Hopefully now that I got all my family stuff out of the way, next time I come, I can actually visit other places. So yeah, so today what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna go to the mall. So I'll show you guys what the mall in Algiers is like. Hopefully that should be interesting. I'm gonna go visit my grandma and then I'm gonna try fly the drone in central Algiers, hopefully if we get to my aunt's house before it gets dark. Oh, and another thing I just wanted to point out basically, but the food in Algeria, maybe it's because we don't have tourists, I don't know what it is, but it's just the best. Also, hospitality here is crazy. Like, no one lets you pay for anything, no one lets you buy anything. Sometimes you just find the money in your pockets. It's crazy, like it's driving me insane. Like I can't even go anywhere without someone trying to drop me off. So it's a bit of a hassle as well, because it's like you don't want to ask too much from them, so then you don't even let them take you places that are far. But probably because it's family as well, so there's a bit of that. But yeah, so if you guys do want to come to Algeria as tourists, I definitely would recommend it, because they don't really see tourists much, so they really do like to take care of people from abroad. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask me, and I can guide you as much as possible. قولوا أيوب أحبط. Look at the face. Look at the face.
Was I looking a bit sexy? عبدو طلع فوق هذيك وما تصورني.
Nope.
كي تغني تتفكر الايام اللي كنت فيهم حور، تفرفر في الهوا طير وتعشش بالشجر، كي تغني تتفكر الايام اللي كنت فيهم حور، تفرفر في الهوا طير وتعشش بالشجر، اللي ما عنده قلب حنين يفهم معنونك منين، اللي ما عنده قلب حنين يفهم معنونك منين، نتفاهموا غير حنا التنين يا المقنين الزين.
Guys, another fun fact: the mall, which is this, is right next to the airport. This is the mall. So you've got your Nespresso, you've got your other brands that I do not know, but they do have a Lacoste and they do have a Levi's, so that's a good start. It's pretty decent actually. You've got your Zara. Just trying out Zara in Algeria. This is actually £30, and in England it will be like 70.
So we're trying. I saw.
عاودي جروحك. This is literally how Algerians act when they come to Zara. Ayub's living life.
بقناونيتش. لا أترى بقناونيتش.
راجل مش طفل.
ده طفلة بقناونيتش.
اسم اللي
Ayub literally picked up a cat from the street until he can adopt it.
I am adopting it.
Yeah, and you're gonna give it to after.
Myself, I'm keeping it. Hey guys, we're about to get crepes.
These ones.
As a volunteer.
Jinan, تاكلي لي كريب. قولي yes. قولي shut up. Hey guys, so the vlog has come to an end and I'm going to try vlog this really quickly because I'm super paro. Basically Algerians get really paro when people start filming. anywhere, and I just got stopped for my drone. So for those who are actually curious about how I got my drone in, they just didn't catch me, but on the way out they made a big deal, and I had to send it off with my luggage. Algeria's been quite a trip. Sorry guys, I didn't get to film too much. I hope I offered something different compared to my last vlog with the drone footage. Don't think that's gonna happen again. But it was more about family. But if you guys do want to see more, let me know in the comments and I'll try to do that. I do have a couple trips lined up. I definitely recommend visiting Algeria. It's a lot safer than people think, and it's a lot more modern, and there's so many things you can do to get by. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.